Replacing CPVC with PEX? Let me tell you, choosing between Apollo and SharkBite fittings can totally change how smooth your plumbing project goes. Alright, so here's the scoop. Apollo fittings usually need crimping, which means you gotta have a crimp tool and rings to make those tight connections. It's not super hard, but it does add a step, and if you mess up the crimp, you might get leaks. On the other hand, SharkBite fittings are push to connect, which is like plugging in a charger. Just push the pipe in, and boom, done. No special tools needed, which is rad if you want to save time or if you're new to PEX. If you're thinking about PEX A tubing, that's a solid choice because it's flexible and bends easier than PEX B, making it perfect for tight spots. Just remember to cut your pipes clean and straight, use the right size fittings, and always double check for leaks before closing walls. Oh, and don't forget to flush your pipes after installation to clear out any debris. One of the biggest mistakes people make when switching to PEX is using the wrong fitting type with their tubing, like mixing crimp fittings on PEX A without the correct tool, which leads to leaks. Another common issue is not cutting the pipe straight or clean, causing poor seals. Also, trying to reuse fittings or not pushing pipes fully into push-to-connect fittings can cause failures down the road. To fix these, always match your fittings to your PEX type, use a pipe cutter for clean cuts, and never reuse fittings unless they are designed for it. Double-check every connection by running water through before sealing everything up. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding someone legit. And if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a smart way to connect with people who actually need your skills.